Hello, my name is Rick Hassman, and I'm the Manufacturing Practice Lead for DocuLabs. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to the Production Control Tower. Companies have access to more data than ever due to digital initiatives, Industry 4.0 initiatives, and the advancement of the industrial Internet of Things. However, driving value from this data has still been a challenge for many. Today I'm going to demonstrate how, with the Production Control Tower, you can drive significant value from all the data that you have. I will show you how you can create dashboards to help you drive your daily operations. I will show you when you are not hitting your performance targets, how you can drill down in real time to a detailed process view that identifies the deviations and the impact that they are having on overall productivity. I will also show you how you can easily incorporate machine data to give you insights on your operations and the impact on throughput and quality. This is the dashboard for the Production Control Tower. It's completely configurable. In this example, you can see plant level metrics such as on-time completion, scrap, or overall equipment effectiveness. And you can see line level, whether it's your funnel line, your paint line, or any other line that you want to bring in. You can see detailed metrics for each of the lines, and you can bring in graphs and charts. The power of the Production Control Tower is not just the ability to create these dashboards. It's the ability to drill down into a process view that helps you understand why you're not hitting your targets. For example, why did you only get 639 versus a plan of 700? Let's drill down now into the process view for the final line to help understand what caused the production shortfall. This is the process view for the funnel line. In our example, we're using a window manufacturing funnel line, but this could be used for process manufacturing, continuous flow manufacturing, or any other type of discrete manufacturing. Celonis creates this process view by pulling core information from your ERP or EMS system, which would be your production order, your item information, and then they marry it up with activity information, which can be captured from machines, it can be captured from workstations, it can be captured from scanners. The activity information is brought in with the critical timestamp. So Celonis, with the production and item information and the activity information, can automatically create this process view. We can also create activities based on rules. In this example, if something took longer than it should have to get from clamp to hardware, we can create an activity in which we called Setoff. You can see that using the Variant Explorer, and we'll change to look at throughput time. You can see that there were 18 units that got set off to the side. We also can see from time perspective, it took an average of 643 minutes. That's a significant impact on your funnel line. If you look at this view, there are some other things that really jump out. We're capturing the cycle time of the key operations on the line. Over here, we can see that the accessory and the clamp are both underperforming. Their cycle times are bigger than what they should be. Now, if we want to drill down and understand that better, we can go right into the clamp view. So when we look at the clamp view, one thing that jumps out right away is the units that are larger than 1,500 square inches have a significantly higher cycle time. 72 and 74 seconds versus an average of 44 seconds. That's information that would have been extremely hard to get in any other view. And if you're a CI person and want to understand the impact of this, you can actually go in and remove those outliers from the view and see the impact. Think about how time consuming it would be to get all of this information the old way with a stopwatch, and then simulate what the impact on the overall cycle time for the clamp operation would be if you moved units that were greater than 1,500 square inches off the main line. You can get this same process view and information for any of the operations on the funnel line by just clicking on any of these tabs below. Now I'd like to move over to the paint line, which is much more of an automated continuous flow line. The paint line overview tab is very similar to what you saw with the funnel line. I'd like to drill down into a couple operations that will demonstrate some unique things about this continuous flow line. Two things on the hand spray operation. One, we were able to connect to their HR and training system and combine that with the order information to show you how operators are doing based on their training and on their experience. The second thing that's unique on the hand spray was our ability to take humidity information directly from the hand spray booth, combine it with cycle time information to give you a view of how humidity impacts cycle time. As you can see here, it starts to increase once it gets above 49%. Let's go look at the scrap tab. And in the scrap tab, you can see the normal view you get from scrap, meaning item type, paint type, color. But the production control tower gives you a very powerful view. It allows us to now connect previous operations to the impact that it has on scrap. Here we can see those units that went through the hand spray that had an increased cycle time, they have a bigger problem. 100% of the units that went through hand spray at 49% or higher were scrapped. This is a view that would be almost impossible to get in normal analytics. In summary, the production control tower can create dashboards that show you how your plant's performing in real time. If you're missing target in any specific area, the production control tower can help you drill down into a process view that can identify what is causing the underperformance. The production control tower can combine data with your process information, demonstrating the impact it has on overall throughput and quality. Please contact us at DocuLabs so we can come in and help you leverage the production control tower to drive productivity within your operations.